Hello kids, let's learn compound words. Sun, flower, sunflower. The sunflower is yellow. Foot, ball, football. I play football. Rain, bow, rainbow. I see a rainbow. Butter, fly, butterfly. The butterfly is beautiful. Door, bell, doorbell. Ring the doorbell. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. This is my toothbrush. Bed, room, bedroom. This is my bedroom. Note, book, notebook. This is my notebook. School, bag, school bag. This is my school bag. Cup, cake, cupcake. I like cupcake. Pop, corn, popcorn. I eat popcorn. Basket, ball, basketball. They play basketball. Hair, cut, haircut. I got a haircut. Hair, brush, hairbrush. This is my hairbrush. Star, fish, starfish. The starfish lives in the sea. Snow, man, snowman. We made a snowman. Fire, fly, firefly. The firefly glows at night. Dragon, fly, dragonfly. The dragonfly can fly. Mail, box, mailbox. Open the mailbox. Moon, light, moonlight. The moonlight is bright. Sun, light, sunlight. Plants need a sunlight. Day, time, daytime. We play in the daytime. Night, time, nighttime. I sleep at night time. Water, fall, waterfall. The waterfall is beautiful. Ear, ring, earring. She wears an earring. Snow. Ball. Snowball. I made a snowball. Cup. Board. Cupboard. Open the cupboard. Black. Board. Blackboard. Write on the blackboard. Book. Shelf. Bookshelf. The books are on the bookshelf. Light. House. Lighthouse. The lighthouse is tall. Sun. Glasses. Sunglasses. Wear your sunglasses. Head. Phone. Headphone. I wear headphones. Key. Board. Keyboard. Type on the keyboard. News. Paper. Newspaper. Dad reads the newspaper. Lip. Stick. Lipstick. Mom has lipstick. Wheel. Chair. Wheelchair. The wheelchair is blue. Earth. Worm. Earthworm. The earthworm lives in soil. Ice. Cream. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Tree. House. Tree house. This is a tree house. School. Bus. School bus. The school bus is yellow. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.